Hey Al, I got served with court papers for a debt that I owe. What do I do now?
Great question. Dealing with debt is stressful, so let's jump right in. There are lots of different kinds of debts you can owe, like credit cards, utility bills, and payday loans. The company you owe money to is called the creditor. If you fall behind on a debt, the creditor you owe money to could sue you. You will receive court papers letting you know about the lawsuit. You'll respond with a legal document known as an answer. You have a limited amount of time to respond with an answer at the courthouse, so be sure to keep track of your deadlines. If you are sued in small claims court or district court, you have 14 days to file your answer. If you are sued in circuit court, you have 30 days to file your answer. Not sure who is suing you or why? No problem. You can simply file an answer by writing on a piece of paper, "I deny everything and demand proof." It's important to file an answer as soon as possible. If you miss the deadline to file, you will not get a court date, and the creditor will automatically win the case. After you filed an answer, be on the lookout because you will get your court date notice in the mail. Make sure you go to court. If you miss your court date, the creditor will automatically win the case, and you won't be able to challenge it later. At your court date, the judge will give you a chance to speak to the creditor's lawyer. You do not have to settle your case. You should consider the terms they give you, but don't agree to them unless you're sure you can afford it. Your other option will be to go back and tell the judge you want to have a trial in your case. The company suing you must prove you owe the money. Once the trial starts, if they don't have a witness, tell the court you object to any documents being introduced. If documents are introduced, tell the court you aren't aware of who the company is and don't know if the amount is correct. The company's lawyer could ask you questions. You should answer truthfully under oath. If you have never heard of the company named in the case, be sure to say that. If the judge rules in your favor, you win. The case is dismissed. You don't have to pay the money and it's all over with. If the judge rules against you, the company will get a judgment against you. Here are some important things to remember. In Alabama, you will not be jailed for not paying your debts, so don't worry about that. You do not have to make payments on the debt that day. A judgment is a court order that you owe money, but the company has to collect that money. Stay tuned for the next few videos in this series, where we'll talk more about how the company can collect the money.